I have had a lot of health things throughout my life and had to be on a bunch of special diets and all that. So I got really into just like health foods, and I listened to a lot of podcasts, and I heard a podcast talking about pumpkin seeds and how good they are for just women's health in general. And then it went on to explain why it was good for men's health also. But I kind of went to my dad and I'm like, have you ever thought of, turning this into powder? And he's like, no, but you can, And so him and I kind of talked about it, and we're like, is this something we should go for? And kind of researched it more and discovered even more of the health benefits that it had. And kind of just ran with it after that.
Got our hands on some equipment and started experimenting with it a little bit, and kind of clicked, and we found out a way to do it, and we're starting to get into a little bit of a groove now.
Mm-hmm.
So the squash are grown in the ground, and then we come in and we harvest all the seed, and then we keep all the seed and we dry it and we clean it. We bring it into our facility and we put it through our oil press where it's pressed out, and all the oil extrudes from the seed itself. And then from there, the oil just gets packaged up in the barrels, and then from there it's moved on to Mountain Rose, where they take it and they put it in their own bottles. When the oil gets pressed out, it comes out as a pretty dark green. It's a very neutral oil, and it's extremely tasty, and it has a nutty flavor and a nutty profile to it, and it doesn't overwhelm any of the foods that you eat. It's just it's a good salad topper, and it's a good mix for all the different foods that you want to eat.
I think we both want to have a family eventually and have something to pass on to our kids. Also, for my side, I feel like it's kind of carrying on the family legacy of farming and what my grandpa's created and everything. And so to be able to start this, just a different version of it, kind of starting our own, but carrying on still that family legacy, but also starting our own and something we can pass on to our kids one day.
Yeah, it's just to continue to grow and produce 100% USA grown products and get everything grown here and manufactured here in the US and sell it here, and just kind of bring back just fully processed USA grown products.